Okay, so I'm gonna record two parts, one with the counts and another one going along with the words of the song. I'm looking at the word lyrics right here. So it says, wake up every morning. Okay, that's the first part. Wake up every morning. Then we look to the right and we kind of do this. Not used to staying home yet. Then from here, we put our left hand up. And it says, I want to see my class, but we gotta stay. So we gotta stay home. So we gotta stay down, up, down. Okay, second part. So we go from here. In case you didn't know this with the right. Okay, we miss you every moment. So we start with the right again. We miss you every moment. Then from here, we swing with the right again. Can't wait to see you soon, but till then, stay down, up, down, home. So again, swing, swing, 1, 2, down, up, down. So the chorus has two parts of 16 counts. So the first one starts with wake up every moment. So 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8 from here, 9, 10, 11, 12, we keep it up here, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that one's a hard, not hard, but it's a fast part. Then from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right here, or from here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The 15 and 16 parts are on both of the parts are the faster ones.
Wake up every morning, not used to staying home. Yeah, I want to see my class, but we gotta stay home. In case you didn't notice, we miss you every moment. Can't wait to see you soon, but till then we'll stay home. Wake up every morning, not used to staying home. Yeah, I want to see my class, but we gotta stay home. In case you didn't notice, we miss you every